What's up? I'm here with
Linda.
and I'm Alphaba, as y'all can tell. But today we're gonna watch the Wicked movie. We're ready to eat up. We know Ari's gonna cook it up as well.
We got the energy.
For 2 tickets, please.
For what movie?
We're gonna see it at a fancy theater.
5 hours later.
This is us after the movie, and I need to rewatch it again. Another round 2. When is round 2 coming?
Round 2 is coming real soon.
Next week.
We need to digest it.
That was so good. Like the ending, like I was holding space for Defying Gravity. Now I get it.
I've seen this week people are taking the lyrics of Defying Gravity and really holding space with that and feeling power in that.
I didn't know that was happening.
I've seen it, yeah.
That's really powerful.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was happening.
Love the movie, and I would definitely watch it again. Like, yes, it was a lot of singing, but that's the whole part of a Wicked musical. And like, you know, Ari, she stayed hitting the notes, and Cynthia too. Cynthia be eating it up with the notes because they could actually sing. I really love the part. If you know, you know. It's this part.
And I was gonna say that they also filmed all the vocals live, so like it was like raw vocals, like what we were hearing. And I heard that people kept saying that Amanda Seyfried should have been Glinda.
Teach you the proper ploys. Talk to boys, little ways to flirt and flounce. Oh, I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair. Everything that really counts to be popular. You're gonna be popular. Sons of the right cohorts, you'll be good at sports.
But I don't think she could have hit those notes.
Oh,
no shade. No shade. I need to see it again and digest it. What do you think?
I need to see it again and swallow it and like diarrhea and like go pooping in, like everything.
Were you emotional? Who was more emotional?
I think you were, because I was looking over you and you're like crying, but like it's towards the end though, because like, you know, I don't know. Wait, I can't spoil it for people. I don't want to spoil it. Yeah, but if you know, you know. If you know, you know.
There's just sentimental parts.
Okay, thank you guys for watching our movie review for Wicked, and it's me, Alphaba.
And me, Linda.
Signing off. Hey, and see we had to sing?
If you're actually watching now, comment a witch, bubble, pink heart emoji. Period.
Holding space, holding space, holding space. It's me holding space though.
As you should hold space.